Some people are born with a broken gene, and it's the best thing that ever happened to their hearts. One faulty copy of a gene called PCSK9, and the risk of a heart attack can fall by nearly 90%. The gene is PCSK9 on chromosome 1. Your liver makes its protein for a single, strange purpose: to hunt down and destroy the receptors that pull cholesterol back out of your blood. It was found twice from opposite directions. In 2003, a team in France studying families with dangerously high cholesterol traced it to a PCSK9 that was working too hard. 3 years later, in Dallas, researchers found the mirror image: people carrying a broken copy with strikingly low cholesterol and hearts that simply didn't get sick. Both clues pointed at the same protein. Turn PCSK9 up and cholesterol floods the arteries. Switch it off and the arteries stay clear. One gene, two directions. And the safe one was the broken one. Here's why. Liver cells line their surface with receptors that grab LDL, bad cholesterol, pull it out of the blood, and then cycle back to do it again. PCSK9 sabotages that. It latches onto a receptor and drags it to the lysosome, the cell's disposal unit, to be destroyed. Fewer receptors means more cholesterol left in the blood. Block PCSK9 and the receptors survive and keep clearing the blood. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death, and LDL cholesterol is one of its biggest drivers. So a healthy woman discovered with almost no working PCSK9, her LDL near 14, a fraction of normal, wasn't a patient. She was a blueprint. If nature could switch this gene off safely, so could we. First came antibodies, injections that mop up the PCSK9 protein in the blood. Now, a small molecule version does the same job as a once-a-day pill in trials. Another drug silences the gene's message inside the cell with just 2 shots a year. And at the frontier, a single infusion that edits the gene in the liver, which in 2026 trials lowered LDL by up to 60% from one dose. From a broken gene to a new kind of medicine. Sometimes the flaw is the cure. The Gene Channel.